Leland Hardy brings to you live. One love. May 20th, 2024. Here with the 2006 CLS500. We're about to take we just took the plastic caps off of each of the three silver nuts you see there. Here are the plastic caps. We're going to sit each nut next to each one so we know where they go. And we're going to take the windshield wiper blades off, lift up that whole plastic cowl that goes from one side of the windshield to the other. And then what we're going to do is remove that plastic cowl, get access to what's called the K57/2 relay, which is an electrical relay for the auxiliary battery, which is sitting under that black plastic cabin air filter there. So once we take that off, replace that, and all the convenience features in the car should work, meaning the AC, heated seats, the cigarette lighter charger, and all the other what are called convenience features, none of which work at this point. One love.